If your ads used to work but then suddenly stopped being profitable, the worst advice you can follow right now is build a new funnel, whether that be a webinar funnel, a VSL funnel, or some complicated new ad strategy for 2026. There's a good chance that advice is exactly why your ads haven't recovered yet. Now, one of the patterns that we keep noticing this year when we're looking at struggling ad accounts is that so many businesses are working far harder than they actually need to. And it's not because they're doing any of the wrong things, but it's just because they've been given advice that sounds logical on the surface, yet quietly sends them in the wrong direction. Because rebuilding funnels is rarely the real problem. And I see this happen to business owners all the time right now. They start running ads and then things work for a while. Leads come in, calls get booked, everything looks promising, and then gradually something changes. They're noticing the cost per lead starts to creep up. Their calendars suddenly become harder to fill. And then the first piece of advice they usually hear is, you need a new funnel. So they go and rebuild everything. Maybe this time it's a webinar funnel. Weeks go into writing slides and creating things and recording presentations and building new registration pages and launching campaigns and campaigns of new ads. And then they test it for a few weeks and the numbers still don't look right. And then that uncertainty starts. The questions are, is it the ads, Tina? Or do you think the funnel just needs a bit more time, Tina? Or what do you think of this strategy? Do you reckon it's the wrong one? And what happens is they don't listen. They just think, oh, it's got to be wrong. So they go and switch it again because what someone else is doing that's seen working. Maybe this time they've seen that someone's got a VSL funnel working, so they try that. More rebuilding, more testing, more ad spend. Before long, 6 months and thousands of pounds or dollars have gone without any real clarity on what actually went wrong, just somebody feeling very down about things and losing confidence. But the reason why this happens is surprisingly simple right now. Different advertising strategies actually require very different levels of testing, budget and time before they can even become profitable. Let's take a webinar funnel, for example. That's going to take at least 3 months and £5,000 at least, or more in testing before the numbers even stabilise these days. But so many businesses try and run that same strategy with about £1,000 and usually around 4 weeks max. And then when the numbers don't work that quickly, the assumption becomes that the funnel itself must be broken. And most of the time the funnel isn't broken, it just needed more testing, or the strategy just simply didn't match the resources that the business who was running it or testing it. Which means then the business ends up working harder and harder to try and force a system to work that was never realistic for the situation in the first place, or they're going to switch to another one. But that is why we've helped businesses to improve their ad performance. We never start with rebuilding a funnel. We start by understanding just 3 things. Your realistic testing budget, your timeline before you need to see profitable results, and the level of operational effort that you and your team can actually realistically sustain while your ads are stabilising. Yeah? Those 3 things are actually really clear. But once you have those 3 things and you know what they are, it just becomes so much clearer to see which advertising strategy actually makes sense for your business, and then which ones are likely to waste just months of testing and your resources for no particular reason, and then you're going to have to drop out. You know, if you'd like a really easy way to see that for yourself, Danny actually built a simple profitability calculator that just shows you which ad strategy actually matches your current testing capacity. Now, if you want that, just comment pro below and I can send that over to your messenger.